There's some of us that travel for food and gastronomic delights. It's time for an Epicurean experience here at Howelton Estate, and I'm here with Jason. Jason, how are you doing, man?
I'm fine. What about yourself?
I'm good. I hear you're the chocolate expert.
Absolutely. I am the resident chocolatier.
All right. So everybody loves chocolate, right?
Absolutely.
And just like with a coffee bean, there's certain beans that are prized in the cocoa world, right?
Indulge is prized for its cocoa beans.
Yes.
The world over, as a matter of fact.
Yes, we have some of the best, most addictive chocolate. So you're actually set up and ready for a chocolate tour, right?
That is correct.
Who does this tour? Who is this tour?
For today's exercise, we're expecting a few guests from the cruise ship. But primarily, we also get our guests from the hotels as well.
And what kind of people you find coming to do this? What pulls them to doing this
I think
tour?
it's the unique estate experience, and also the knowledge of the presenters, that is, critical in delivering, and getting that total satisfaction. So, those are actually selected based on the color, the feel,
okay,
and also the density of the cacao.
It tells you it's ready.
That's correct.
Fit to be picked,
So,
okay.
Just introducing the cutting method to you right now.
Right. And you do grow it here on the property.
Absolutely.
But as children, tell me now what the deal was when you walking through the cocoa field.
Yeah.
And you pick these.
It was always about the reward. And you know what is the reward?
Tell me.
Once this has been sliced open, sucking on those.
Yes.
And we actually coined them jungle M&Ms. So that is actually the reward.
So tell us what the guests are going to experience when they come to do this tour.
So we give them a comprehensive, detailed knowledge, first about the harvesting, then the fermenting, drying stages of the cacao,
Okay.
and then the grinding process, and all actually takes place right here.
And it ends in cocoa nibs, right?
That is correct, yeah.
All right.
Yeah. So we have the three basic ingredients that make up a dark chocolate.
Okay.
You have the nibs,
Right.
you have the butter,
Cocoa butter.
and you have your sugar.
Not just any sugar.
We have-
Brown. Cane sugar. Love it.
That is
Love
correct.
it. So walk us through a little bit. Don't give away all the secrets,
Sure.
but walk us through what you do in a typical tour.
Typical tour. It would be the introduction of the entire chocolate making process from your nibs, as suggested here, your butter and sugar. And we have a mortar and pestle. Mortars are hot, straight from the oven. This enables the grinding process to be a lot easier.
All right.
Yeah. We first add in.
I'll let you, the professional, do it.
Your nibs.
All right. Which are actually savory. They're not as sweet as everybody thinks, right?
That is correct. Yeah. So once that is added to, go for a motion of drilling.
All right.
Because the mortar is already preheated in the oven.
Right.
It makes it a lot easier for the oil to be expelled from the nibs. As I said to you, it's 50% butter and 50% fiber.
Okay.
So within a matter of minutes, so you could get that lovely aroma already, right?
Yes,
From the heat
absolutely.
generated there, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So then, after this grinding, we would add in our butter, then our sugar, and we continue grinding for about, say, 40 minutes total, and then we're ready to mold the chocolate.
And so your chocolate is going all over the world.
That's correct.
From Howelton Estate
That's
to
correct.
the world. Thanks for chatting with us, Jason.
You're most welcome, Richard.
All right.
Take care.
Pleasure.
You're watching The Soul of St. Lucia.